tired of watching your savings disappear every time a sale pops up? Or do you feel paralyzed by indecision on how to save? In this video, we will delve into Warren Buffett's 7 tips exploring how his approach can help anyone, regardless of their financial situation, to cultivate better saving habits. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Live below your means. Living within your financial limits is a crucial step toward achieving financial stability and success. Take the story of Sarah, a successful entrepreneur who started her own tech company. In her early days, Sarah faced numerous challenges, but she made a conscious decision to budget carefully. Instead of splurging on fancy office spaces or extravagant marketing campaigns, she operated from her modest apartment and focused on building her product. This frugality allows her to reinvest profits back into her business, ultimately leading to significant growth and success. So, take a page from Sarah's book, Embrace Frugality, Budget Wisely, and watch how living below your means can pave the way for a brighter financial future. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Tip number 2. Invest in yourself. Once you can live below your means, you can invest in yourself. Investing in yourself through personal development and education is one of the most valuable decisions you can make for your future. Consider the story of Alex, who was working in a job with limited growth potential. Realizing he wanted more from his career, he enrolled in an online course to learn digital marketing. After completing the program, Alex not only gained new skills, but also secured a promotion that significantly increased his salary. This investment in his education transformed his career trajectory and opened doors to new opportunities. The long-term financial benefits of investing in your skills are substantial. By enhancing your knowledge and expertise, you increase your marketability and earning potential. Employers often seek candidates who demonstrate a commitment to continuous learning, making you a more attractive hire or candidate for promotion. Additionally, reading books that challenge your thinking or teach new skills can be incredibly beneficial. Titles like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or Atomic Habits by James Clear can provide valuable insights that enhance your professional capabilities. Encouraging viewers to seek out learning opportunities is essential. Whether it's enrolling in formal education, attending workshops, reading books, or taking online courses, there are countless ways to expand your skill set. Remember, the more you invest in yourself, the greater the returns you can expect in your career and financial life. Prioritizing personal developments today can lead to a more prosperous tomorrow. Tip number 3. Automate your savings. Automating your savings can be a game changer when it comes to simplifying financial management. Consider the story of Mark, a young professional who struggled to save consistently. After realizing that he often spent what he intended to save, he decided to set up automatic transfers from his checking account to his savings account every payday. This simple change allows him to save without even thinking about it. Over time, Mark was able to build a substantial emergency fund and save for a down payment on his first home, all thanks to automation. The psychological benefits of saving without actively thinking about it are significant. When savings are automated, you remove the temptation to spend that money, making it easier to stick to your financial goals. This out-of-sight, out-of-mind approach helps you prioritize your future without the constant struggle of willpower. To get started, consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings accounts. You can choose a specific amount or percentage of your paycheck to be transferred each month. By making saving a priority through automation, you will find that reaching your financial goals becomes not only achievable but also stress-free. Tip number 4. Create a budget. Creating a budget is a vital step toward effective saving and financial management. Take the Johnson family, for example. They were struggling to make ends meet and often found themselves living paycheck to paycheck. After attending a financial workshop, they decided to create a budget. By tracking their income and expenses, they identified areas where they could cut back, such as dining out and subscription services. Within a few months, the Johnsons not only improved their financial situation but also managed to save for a family vacation, something they thought was impossible before. To create a realistic budget, start by listing all sources of income and then categorize your expenses into fixed, like rent and utilities, and variable, like groceries and entertainment. Aim to allocate a specific percentage of your income to savings. It's essential to be honest about your spending habits and set achievable goals. Once your budget is in place, remember that it's not a one-time task. Encourage viewers to review and adjust their budgets regularly, especially when there are changes in income or expenses. This ongoing process will help ensure that your budget remains relevant and effective, ultimately leading to better saving habits and financial security. Tip number 5. Set clear financial goals. Having specific savings goals is crucial for effective financial planning and motivation. Take the example of Lisa, who dreamed of buying her first home. Instead of just saving aimlessly, she set a clear goal to save $30,000 for a down payment within 3 years. By breaking this larger goal into smaller, manageable monthly targets, Lisa was able to stay focused and motivated. Each month, she tracked her progress, which made the journey towards home ownership feel achievable. Encouraging viewers to write down their financial goals can significantly enhance accountability. When goals are documented, they become more tangible and serve as a constant reminder of what you are working toward. This practice can help keep you committed, especially during challenging times. It's also essential to understand the impact of short-term versus long-term goals. Short-term goals, like saving for a vacation or a new gadget, can provide quick wins and boost motivation. In contrast, long-term goals, such as retirement savings or purchasing a home, require patience and consistent efforts. Balancing both types of goals can create a fulfilling savings journey, allowing you to enjoy immediate rewards while also planning for a secure financial future. Tip number 6. Avoid impulse purchases. Resisting the temptation of impulse buying is essential for maintaining a healthy budget and achieving your financial goals. Consider the story of Tom, who one day walked into an electronics store and impulsively bought the latest smartphone. Although he was excited at first, he quickly regretted the purchase when he realized it strained his budget and delayed his plans to save for vacation. This experience taught him the importance of being mindful about spending. One effective strategy to combat impulse purchases is to implement a waiting period. Before buying non-essential items, give yourself 24 to 48 hours to think it over. This pause allows you to evaluate whether the purchase aligns with your financial goals and if it's truly necessary. Encouraging viewers to focus on the financial goals can also help curb impulse buying. When you have clear objectives, such as saving for a home or a dream vacation, it becomes easier to resist distractions that can derail your progress. By prioritizing your long-term aspirations over fleeting desires, you will not only save money but also cultivate a more disciplined and fulfilling approach to spending. Tip number 7. Take advantage of discounts and coupons. Using discounts and coupons can lead to significant savings, making it an essential strategy for anyone looking to stretch their budget. Take the example of Emily, a savvy shopper who has mastered the art of couponing. By dedicating a little time each week and research deals and collect coupons, she managed to save over $1,000 in a year on groceries and household items. Emily's approach not only helped her cut costs, but also made shopping more enjoyable as she discovered new products and stores. Encourage viewers to use apps and websites dedicated to finding discounts can further enhance the savings journey. Many platforms aggregate coupons, cashback offers, and promotional deals, making it easier than ever to save. By incorporating these tools into your shopping routine, you can maximize your savings and make more informed purchasing decisions, ultimately allowing you to allocate more funds toward your financial goals. If you want to know more about the path to prosperity, check out the video here and see you there.